Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to remove green screen effects from 1, 2, or more videos in DaVinci Resolve 16. Now you can see that I have two clips in DaVinci Resolve. So one of them has a green screen and it's covering the old intro of my gaming channel, link in description. But my new channel intro has a green screen that's covering my old one. So to remove that green screen, you're going to select the clip, go to Fusion. Now F2 to rename it, or you can right click. I'm going to name it intro. Then Shift Space. Choose Delta key or search key and choose it. Click Add. And over here, there will be an eyedropper. And you are going to hover over the color that you want to remove. The green screen will be gone, but no other color will be gone. Now, if you have more than one green screen, so as you can see, I now have two. I have removed one of them. For this, you will have to rename the clips. So you can see that I have my channel trailer behind, and there's a subscribe button covering it. So select the clip, go to Fusion, rename it. I'm just going to name it subscribe, and then Shift Space, add the Delta key. Drag the eyedropper, and it is removed. Now, as you can see, both the green screens have been removed from both clips. You will have to rename it. If you do not rename it, the green screens will glitch out, and they will just end up turning black. And then you will no longer have a green screen removed. Thank you guys for watching, and that was how to remove green screens in DaVinci Resolve 16.